A rare video of Tesla's Cybertruck production at Giga Texas has leaked as the electric truck is believed to be close to hitting the market. We have been closely tracking the Cybertruck production program to see if Tesla will be able to stick to its timeline this time, as it aims to start deliveries by the end of this quarter. Things are looking up for fans and reservation holders of the Cybertruck. Tesla has released pictures of Cybertruck production lately, but as it is to be expected, they are whatever Tesla wants us to see. This video shows a more bare production line. Based on the video, it looks like there are still a few workstations that haven't been set up just yet. Tesla still has about 2 months to stick to its latest timeline, so this is not too worrying. The Cybertruck on the line appears to be hand-built, but the Tesla employees around the truck could also be working to set up and test the workstations around the production line for a more complete line soon. Tesla is expected to hold a delivery event at the end of next month to hand over the first few Cybertruck, likely to employees, as the automaker has yet to officially release the final pricing and specs of the electric pickup truck. Those are likely to be released at the event. Moving on to other Tesla Cybertruck news, Tesla Cybertruck winter testing continues with mysterious 535 on the body. A Tesla Cybertruck prototype has been spotted once again during winter testing at the Southern Hemisphere Proving Grounds, SHPG, which is on New Zealand's South Island, wearing a camouflage wrap similar to those spotted in California recently. The two new photos, posted by Twitter user and Cybertruck enthusiast Gregor Truck, show the prototype driving through just a couple of inches of snow, so not exactly hardcore weather conditions. The temperature wasn't anything to write home about either, with lows of about 30 degrees and highs of roughly 48 degrees, 9 degrees Celsius, in the nearby town of Wanaka. With this being said, Cybertruck prototypes have also been to Alaska earlier this year, and the first units were shipped to New Zealand in June, so it has experienced colder temperatures and rougher weather overall during the whole testing period. Last month, 2 Tesla pickup prototypes were spotted at the same winter proving grounds in the Kiwi Nation, wearing the 604 and 512 numbers on their sides. Back then, we found out that 604 is the area code for Vancouver, Canada, while 512 is the area code for Austin, Texas. But it's unclear to this day what those numbers actually mean. In this latest batch of photos, the camouflage truck has 535 written on it, which doesn't come up as the area code for any major populated area. So again, we don't know what those numbers mean. Then again, they could just be internal designations for different testing procedures, with no real significance for the public. Let us know in the comments below if you have any idea as to what the numbers might indicate. Initially unveiled in 2019, the Tesla Cybertruck is as close as ever to becoming a real product that people can buy after years of delays. Currently, the Austin-based EV maker is building release candidate or RC units at its Texas Gigafactory, with initial customer intent production set to begin later this year, while a ramp-up in assembly is expected to happen next year. Competitors are undoubtedly keeping a close eye on the Cybertruck's progress. Rivian's R1T and Ford's electric F-150 Lightning are 2 electric trucks also vying for a share of the market. However, the Cybertruck, with its distinctive design and Tesla's robust supercharger network, has certain unique advantages. Elon Musk is a name synonymous with visionary audacity, pioneering initiatives like SpaceX's Cosmic Conquest and SolarCity's renewable energy revolution. The Cybertruck, his latest innovation, is no exception. This marvel of engineering dares to reshape the current norm, introducing us to a reality previously confined to the realms of sci-fi. Eco-advocates anticipate the Cybertruck's triumph will bolster the shift towards eco-friendly transportation. As the world declares a steady phase-out of fossil fuel vehicles, the electric vehicle, EV, era appears on the horizon. Tesla, the vanguard of this revolutionary movement, has every action scrutinized under the global eye. Musk unveiled the Cybertruck's advanced attributes during the press event beyond what was previously known. It's not merely about avant-garde aesthetics, it's reimagining the truck's role in today's society. Hints at Bond-like capabilities enthralled the audience. One breathtaking innovation was the adaptive suspension, promising perfect terrain clearance irrespective of the load, ensuring ideal driving conditions whether hauling camping gear or construction tools. The revolutionary incorporation of solar panels into the tonneau cover allows you to accrue up to an additional 15 miles of range daily, purely from solar exposure, Musk joked. A significant advantage for remote usage, extending valuable range. The Cybertruck, thanks to its formidable battery system, also doubles as a mobile power station, providing crucial electricity during power outages or natural disasters. This harmonizes with Tesla's overarching renewable energy goals and proves EVs can be more than just transport. They can be saviors in dire circumstances. Its safety aspects were also showcased, including autopilot, potential FSD features, an encompassing array of sensors, cameras providing 360-degree visibility, ultrasonic obstacle detection, and an exclusive off-road mode offering real-time data for tackling tough terrains. The Cybertruck's unveiling sparked various sector reactions, with Wall Street predicting another Tesla stock surge, environmentalists hailing it as a leap towards a greener future, and traditional truck fans polarized about its potential to supersede current fuel-guzzling giants. In pop culture, the Cybertruck has already left a mark, with rumors of cameo appearances in forthcoming movies, video games, and TV series. Merchandise, from miniatures to apparel, is selling out fast, signifying its iconic stature pre-release. The event highlighted Tesla's underlying motive. It's more than selling vehicles. It's about molding the future. By fostering a sustainable transport ecosystem, Tesla envisions a world where fossil fuels are obsolete. The Cybertruck is more than a car. It's a change agent. Industry leaders, both on-site and online, acknowledge Tesla's potential to create significant industry ripples, compelling competitors to innovate and accelerate EV technology R&D. This will lower costs, enhance infrastructure, and prepare us for a world where EVs are mainstream, not an exception. It is evident that the Cybertruck is not just another innovation from Tesla, but a groundbreaking instrument poised to redefine our relationship with transportation. Its unique design and innovative features not only promise a cleaner, greener, and more efficient future, but also indicate a tectonic shift in how we perceive mobility itself. With Elon Musk at the helm, this electric revolution stands at our doorstep, hinting at a future where sustainability and innovation coalesce, reshaping norms and expectations. Musk's audacious initiatives like the Cybertruck and others underscore his commitment to pushing the envelope of what's possible, steering humanity towards a more sustainable and exciting future. Tesla's Cybertruck is not just about revolutionizing the truck industry, it's about challenging and changing our worldview on sustainability, energy consumption, and mobility. The anticipation is indeed palpable as we hurtle towards this electric future, underscored by the success and interest surrounding the Cybertruck. The unveiling of this vehicle and its attendant innovations underscores the power of visionary thinking, unbridled creativity, and bold commitment to a more sustainable future. As the world keeps a watchful eye on Tesla, it is clear that this is not just a ripple in the automotive world. It is a seismic wave with the potential to redefine transportation as we know it. As the world approaches 2024, the possibilities seem endless, and the path is unquestionably electric. We are on the cusp of a transport revolution that is set to transform our lives in myriad ways. The Cybertruck, Tesla, and Elon Musk continue to fuel this change, blurring the lines between reality and science fiction, challenging the status quo, and propelling us into an exciting and sustainable future. As global media and social platforms buzzed with event updates, one thing was unmistakable: a shift in the transportation paradigm is imminent, led by a sci-fi-esque truck. As we approach 2024, the anticipation is high, possibilities are infinite, and the journey is undeniably electric. Thank you for your engagement until the very end. Hit like, comment, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to stay updated. Don't miss our future content.